Alright, in this video, we are going to understand one of the most fundamental concepts in Python, which is Python data types. Whenever we write a program, we store different kind of values inside variable. For example, sometimes we store number, sometimes text, and sometimes even a collection of values like list. Now, here an interesting question. How does Python actually understand what kind of data it is working with? How does it know that something is number and something else is text? That is exactly where data types comes in. Now, what data types are? So first, let's understand what a data type really means. In simple terms, a data types define what kind of value a variable stores. For example, if a variable store value 10, Python understand that it is a number. If variable stores value Python, Python understand that is text. One nice thing about Python is that we don't have to declare type manually. Python automatically determine data type when we assign value. We can also check the data type using type function. For example, let's open your terminal, ideally Python. Open your ideally, just go and search ideally and just wait for to open it. Okay, so here I'll just type x equals to 10 and print type x. Now I'll save it. Just give any name as you wish. I'll give it welcome.py. Okay, just hit F5 to run it. Oh, I'm sorry. One bracket is missed. F5. Okay. Now see, it shows the data type of it. So the value is a type of integer, class integer. So next is numeric type. Now let's move to the first category, which is numeric data types. In Python, we may have three numeric types: integer, float, and complex. So just we get the example again. I just modified. So here I just put a equals to 10, b equals to 3.14, which is the value of pi actually, and c equals to 2 plus 3j, and print it, print a, print b, and print c. Save it. And so here variable a stores integer, which is whole number, and the variable b store floating point number because it contains a decimal value, and c represent complex number, which is mainly used in advanced mathematical calculations. Next type is sequence type. Sequence type allow us to store multiple value in order. One of the most commonly used sequence type in Python is list. Here is a my list, 1, 2, 3. The values can be stored in square bracket. So if we want to try it, we can do it practically as well. So another sequence is my tuple, and its value is 10. It's in parentheses 10, 20, and 30. A tuple is quite similar to list, but there is one important difference. Once a tuple is created, its value cannot be changed. So it is immutable. Python also provides something called range, which is commonly used in loops. And next is string data type. Now let's look at the example. If I put name equals to sankalan tech and print name, save it and F5. Okay, sankalan tech. Here the variable name store the value sankalan tech. String are commonly used when we want to store things like name, messages, or sentences. Now next, we have another very useful data type called dictionary. A dictionary store data in key value pairs. For example, student name is Rahul, so age is 20. So here name is key and Rahul is the value, as well as age is the key and 20 is the value for that key. So again, just check it practically. Student equals to name. Don't forget to give the colon over there. Rahul, age 20, and curly brace, print student. It should be in square bracket. Name of the dictionary, that is, I'm sorry, just first I'll print entire entire dictionary, std and student, and then print dictionary name and key name, that is, it should be double quote. Save. And here we are storing information about student using key like name and age. Dictionary are very useful when we want to organize related information. So if the key and value are related, so in that case we use dictionary. Just run. So the first print student shows that the dictionary is like this: name and Rahul is the value, age is the key, and 20 is the value. And second print, that is print student in square bracket name, this one student name, it shows Rahul, that is the name of the student. So next data type is set. A set store unique values only. So set do not allow duplicate values. For example, let's we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So here 3 is 2 times, so it just take its once because duplication or repetition is not allowed. So just check it. I'll give the name unique number equals to tuple should be represented by curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3, okay, and 4. So ultimately you will find at the last that is set store only unique values, no duplications. So I print it, print, and unique number, that is the name of our tuple. Save it and run. See, it's showing that 1, 2, 3, 4. So no repetitions. Next data type, just check it. What is that? It is Boolean. So Python also supports Boolean data type, which represent logical conditions. Boolean value can only be true or false. For example, is valid equal to true, and if we do it practically, is valid equals to true. So T should be capital. Print is underscore valid. Say the output is true. So where these booleans are used, it's used in conditional statements such as if else, where a programmer need to make the decisions. In that case, this is useful. This data type is useful. Next one is binary type. Python also supports binary data types such as bytes and byte array. So if you try to understand it by practically, the data equals to bytes give the list of values 65, 66 and 67, data to byte array, again list of values like 68, 69 and 70, square bracket close, and now print it. What will be the output of it? Run. Okay, so it shows ABC and byte array DEF. So in what situation this data type will be useful? It is mainly used when we working with binary data or files. In that case, it is very useful. So conclusion of the sessions, what we learn in this video: Python support many built-in data types such as numeric types, sequence type like list and tuples, string for text, dictionary for key value, pair of data, set for unique values, boolean boolean values, and binary types. Understanding this data type is very important because they form a foundation of almost every Python program. Once you understand data types clearly, writing Python program becomes much easier. So if you like this, subscribe for the next video for variables in Python.